Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to buy BNB on Coinbase Wallet. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Coinbase application on your mobile device. Once it is open, navigate to your profile icon at the bottom of your screen. After that, click on the buy icon to proceed. Next, wait for the page to load. In the search bar, type BNB and select it from the list. Now, choose your payment method by clicking on the designated button. You will see various options like credit card, debit card, Google Pay, and other local transactions. Once you have selected your payment method, enter the amount of BNB you wish to purchase. Review your order and confirm the transaction to complete your purchase. So that's basically how you can buy BNB on Coinbase Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.